Cute dog raincoat. Wet weather doesn't have to put a damper on your adventures with your furry friend. Keep your pup dry and comfortable with a dog raincoat. These waterproof coats feature a tightening belt for easy on and off, as well as a hole in the neck for leash attachment. The transparent material gives the raincoat a fashionable and unique look. Don't let wet weather ruin your adventures. Get a dog raincoat and enjoy the outdoors with your furry companion. Dog umbrella. Does your dog hate to go out in the rain? Well, this dog umbrella will solve that. It has a built-in leash, which you hook to the dog's collar, walking or leading the dog with the umbrella handle. The dog will stay dry, clean, and comfortable in rain, sleet, or snow. The transparent umbrella body allows you to keep an eye on your fur baby at all times. Flippity Fish. Your cat will love this fun toy. Flippity Fish is a realistic-looking toy fish with a cat-safe internal mechanism that makes it flip and move just like a real fish. Your cat will be mesmerized and enticed to play and will have its natural hunting and pouncing instincts brought out. Pooper Scooper. This cool little tool allows you to scoop up Fido's waste and bag it all at the same time. It's all done with a trap, a tip, and a twist. Just attach a bag and pull the lever to pick up the waste. And the best part, you don't have to touch the bag until you are ready to dispose of it. Pet car seat. This dog car seat ensures that your darling is comfortable during long car journeys and is well secured at the same time. It has an integrated seat belt and a double safety device for attaching it to the car seat. The soft inner lining and padded edges ensure maximum comfort and give fearful dogs a safe, secure feeling. So you and your four-legged friend are always comfortable and well protected on the road. Pawaboo harness. The Pawaboo dog carrier backpack is a must-have for small dog and cat owners. Designed specifically for pets weighing less than 10 pounds, this carrier is both comfortable and convenient. Pet carrier backpack. The doggy backpack carrier is designed to carry small and medium-sized dogs. This dog backpack is made from breathable mesh and polyester fiber. The adjustable neck hole window design on the top allows your pet to keep the head extended, making it ventilated and visible, interacting and communicating with you. Interior rope with a clip can connect to your pet's collar harness to ensure your pet's safety. Dog water bottle. If your dog comes along for a hike, car ride, or any outdoor adventure, a portable water bottle and bowl are essential. To keep your dog cool, take one of these highly rated dog bowls or water bottles along on your next adventure. This eco-friendly bottle has a leak-proof lid with a sealed ring. The dog water bottle is made with a high-quality food-grade ABS material. Strong and durable, won't break easily even if you accidentally dropped it. Open the bottle, press the button with one hand and the water will flow into the container. Cat Pouch Hoodie. This cat pouch hoodie is the perfect sweatshirt for you as a cat lover. Unlike all those boring, regular hoodies not made with animals in mind, this sweatshirt also features sewn-on ears and paw pads to complete the proud animal lover look. Of course, the real breakthrough is in the pouch. The perfectly pet-sized pocket includes a removable lining for easy cleaning. Parrot Leash. This Parrot Leash is a must-have for any bird owner looking to take their feathered friend on outdoor adventures. This ultra-light, portable, and soft harness is designed to be comfortable for your bird and easy for you to use. The leash is long enough to give your bird plenty of room to explore while still keeping them safely under your control. Many birds will even come to associate the sight of the harness with the fun and freedom of enjoying the outdoors with their owners. This Parrot Leash is also easy to use, with a U-shackle that is simple to put on and take off without causing skin irritation or feather damage. Pet Massager. If you're looking for an effective way to massage your pet, this pet massager is a perfect choice. This versatile massager is designed to be used on dogs, cats, small animals, and even humans, and it is particularly effective for massaging the head and neck area. Made with high-quality ABS plastic, this massager is both waterproof and harmless to pets. It operates smoothly and quietly, allowing you to adjust the speed freely to suit your needs. Wicked Ball for Dogs. The Wicked Ball for Dogs is the ultimate playmate for your furry friend. Designed to eliminate feelings of loneliness and boredom, this interactive ball can provide hours of entertainment for your pet. It is also waterproof and durable, allowing you to play with your puppy in the water, bathtub, or pool. Keep your pet happy and engaged with the Wicked Ball. Cat Feeder. The Purr Bowl is a must-have for any cat owner looking to improve their pet's feeding habits and overall health. This innovative bowl is designed to leverage the power of gravity to help food move down the stomach more easily, reducing the risk of backflow and vomiting. In addition to improving digestion, the Purr Bowl also helps reduce neck strain and joint pain, making it especially helpful for cats with arthritis or mobility issues. The elevated design promotes a more ergonomic position for feeding, improving comfort and reducing stress on the body. Suction Cup Toy for Dogs. Dogs love playing tug-of-war. Anytime, anywhere, most pups are down for a rousing round of the classic game. The only problem? It takes two to play. So if you're not available, your pup is out of luck, unless, of course, he has a suction cup dog toy. The concept is simple. A strong suction cup anchors the toy to the ground, while the attached rope and chew toy challenges your dog to pull, bite, and play to his heart's content. Portable Cat Bag. This portable cat bag is a must-have for any pet owner who loves to take their furry friend with them on outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of this cat carrier is its transparent design. This can be very helpful for calming down anxious pets, as they can see what's going on around them and feel more secure. The transparency also allows you to keep an eye on your pet while they're in the carrier, making it easier to check on their well-being. Feature Story. In 2002, Time magazine published a feature story titled, "We Will Be Safer," which explored the evolving threat of biohazards and the measures being taken to protect against them. The article concluded that while the threat of biohazards cannot be completely eliminated, advancements in prevention and response capabilities have made it possible for society to live with the risk in a safer manner.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.